This is a reminder that the 124060 is indeed an awesome watch. What if I tell you I made a mistake, right? So I've done this YouTube short video where I said that the 116509 Rolex Daytona could be the one and done. I think I was wrong about that. It's surely an elegant sport watch, but white gold, the cost factor, and lots of other reasons, it might not just be for everyone. It's not everyone's taste, right? This Rolex 124060 on the other hand, could be the one and done. This is a 2-year-old watch that is technically brand new because I barely wore it. Dive watch, sport watch, tool watch, watch. This 124060 could definitely be all of the above. This literally could be your only Rolex sport watch. Elegant, easy, and you can validate that for yourself. This is going to be a short video. Let's get into it. This specific reference is the 41mm thinner case. In fact, it's been dubbed changing without changes because it remained relatively the same as the predecessor. That's the 114060. The 114060, which was a 40mm case, versus the claimed 41 case for this 124060, which I still think it's a little bit less than 41, maybe 40.5. Jokes aside, this Rolex Submariner had been crafted with the highest quality materials, just like any other Rolex. It delivers performance, precision, and luxury, and it does it very well. And in fact, I actually like the symmetry of the no date option. I just think, I mean, just look at this, man, for yourself. Like, why wouldn't you like that? For me, it's the world is going complication. I'm just taking a step back. I don't want a complicated watch. I just want an easy watch. I think this is awesome, man, and this is soothing too. Simple format with no date option. I like the symmetry of it. And despite what you hear that is too common, it's an uninspired choice, that's just basically cliche, right? I still think it's perfect for any special occasion or day-to-day lifestyle. I gotta say, it's the best rotating bezel sound from any dive watch. Whether you're hiking on the hills, catching a Brazilian B60 single origin coffee with friends, awesome coffee by the way, awesome choice. If you want something that, you know, tastes good, kind of sits, get you to talk like that, this is what you want to do. This Rolex Submariner 124060 is probably the best choice. It's just neutral, easy. Is this overpriced even at retail? Sure, of course. I mean, the watch industry, as we know very well, is a high margin industry, and for most of us making a normal salary, myself included for the most part, I'm transitioning out of that, and I will tell you guys in maybe a future video. So this is something you could look out to, and happy to let you know. Things like luxury watches are just, you know, you don't need them, right? Watches are totally an emotional purchase. If you can swing it while less keeping track of, you know, your bills, expenses, retirement, college fund, whatever that is, unless you have covered that part, it's a completely awful idea. So bottom line, if you can do it and still hit your important financial responsibilities, then now is as good as it gets for when you can actually buy a luxury watch. And when you decide to make that irresponsible decision to buy a luxury watch, which I guarantee you will if you love watches, this Rolex Submariner 1240 is probably the best option. Elegant, sophisticated black dial is the Rolex language that you read on their website, but what I really like more about it is 1, the symmetry, 2, the offset of luminescent hour markers, right? So this thing shines like no tomorrow. It's really easy to read the time in all lighting conditions, and it's got this luxurious bracelet. It's supposed to be a little bit thinner, more tapered than the previous one, and they did it well. So I stopped wearing this 124060 for a very long time. I bought it 2 years ago, but slapping it back on the wrist, man, you know, it sparks that honeymoon period back again. You know, that really nice feeling when you buy a new watch. That excitement kicks all over again. Sure, it's not the flashiest, it's also not a bargain price-wise, but there is definitely an undeniable magic about the 124060. Maybe it's the symmetry, the fact that it doesn't have a date. I'm not really sure, but I actually like it more now. If you guys have any questions about this specific reference, be sure to comment below of this video and I'll answer all of your questions. You're amazing, I mean that, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.